Today's test is over place value. Please put your name on the line and look up on their board and write the date down for today. Remember, you can pause this video if you need time to write, and you can also re-watch parts of the video if you have a question or need to hear something again. The first question says, what number is shown? I have base 10 blocks here. I have longs and I have cubes. You're going to be counting how much is shown there and writing the number here on the line. So count up that and write the number on the line. I have a second one over here, longs and cubes. I'm going to count that whole number together, and I'm going to write that answer here on the line. Number 2, fill in the place value for the number given. The first one shows you base 10 blocks with longs and cubes. You're going to count that number up and then tell me what number of tens and what number of ones. So what's in your tens place for that number? What's in your ones place for that number? Remember, you can use your base 10 blocks to help you. For this one over here, you're going to look at the number and you're going to write me which number is in the tens place, which number is in the ones place. You can also draw out this number with base 10 blocks if that helps you. But I still need a number on the tens line and a number on the ones line. For number 3, draw the base 10 blocks that represent 32. So I'm going to be drawing with my pencil. In order for you to show a long, I need a line like this. Whoops. A straight line like that. I am not drawing a rectangle. I'm drawing a straight line down with my pencil. And to show your cubes, I need a dot like that. You're going to take your pencil and color in a dot for one cube. So again, you're showing me those base 10 blocks by a line for the tens block and a dot for your ones block. Remember that your dot has to be large enough for your teacher to see. They should not be specks, but it should not be small enough that I cannot count it. Number 4, fill in the place value for the number given. Here is your number. You're going to tell me which digit is in the hundreds place, which digit is in the tens place, and which digit is in the ones place. So how many hundreds in that number, how many tens in that number, and how many ones in that number. Number 5 says counting out loud checkup. You're going to go to your teacher when she calls you over, and you're going to be counting for her. First, you're going to be counting by ones, and then you're going to be counting by tens. If you're all finished and have no more questions or do not need to watch the video anymore, please turn this in.